So today I'll be taking you on a tour in this unfinished house. It's actually a bungalow house and it's massive. I don't want to go into details on why this house is unfinished. Maybe sometime in the future I will tell the story, but not now. So for now, let's go around and inside the building and see what it looks like. So this is what the outside of the building looks like. This is the front entrance. You could see the door there, and you can see the windows. So this is what the entrance looks like, and the step, the pillars. Right, you can see another house there. It's also unfinished, but my major focus is on this building. So this is what the front looks like. It's actually a very big bungalow house. You see what the front looks like. So let's see what the environment surroundings look like. This house is surrounded by bushes, or rather forest, and you could see down there is a stream. I actually don't know where this flows to. Maybe sometime in the future I'll come back here, and there are a lot of bamboo trees that grow on this compound, but the owner had to cut it down because she complained that monkeys have been coming inside the compound. So she had to cut down the bamboo trees. So you see, in this building, the source of water is actually the well water, and this is the well. It's just at the back of the building. So this is where they get the water they use, but not drinking water, just for the house chores and the rest of it. So this is how deep the well looks. You can see it's very deep. That is the water down there. You see, that is the water. Alright, so still the compound, the bamboo trees, you can see they have been cut down because of the monkeys, and you can see that river, that stream still flows down. Alright, so this is actually what the surroundings of this building looks like. You can see there is still a lot of empty lands here. I don't know, maybe in the future I will suggest to the owner to start a poultry farm. So this is actually where they suspect the monkeys live, that place. So this is what the compound looks like. Now let's see what the inside of the house looks like. Alright, now follow me. Okay, so this is the back entrance. Knock, 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 knock. So here we are at the sitting room. You can see the sitting room is very big, but because this house is incomplete, the owner is here to get all her properties, so she just have these two sofas here. That is a television park. Alright, and here you have a room attached to the parlor, but the owner is not around, so it's kind of locked. No one is there. So let's continue. They have the standard fan, and here you have just random things. But let's go close and see what's there. So you have the touch. They're actually charging it. That's the PS2 game and the console, the radio, VCDs, television, another television. The socket is there, right? Just a random this and that is the wall clock, right? This house is yet to be organized, so let's go. Let me just take you to the dining hall. Let's see what that place looks like. Now follow me. So this is what the dining looks like. Not so big and not so small. You can see that there is nothing here. No dining chair, no dining table. Just an empty space, alright? So for now, nothing is happening here. They're actually using here to cook. That is the electric cooker there. Each day I was told the socket got burnt some time ago. Just a random cartridges. That's the electric iron. So for now, nothing is on the dining hall. Alright. Can see this house is yet to be completed, and that is an entrance from the dining to the kitchen. But they're yet to fix the door. Everything is yet to be completed. So the house is not like organized for now. They just pack their things inside. So this is a glimpse of the kitchen from the dining hall. But we have to go in and see what the kitchen looks like. So this is just a glimpse. I'm actually filming this from the dining hall. But then follow me. Let's go to the kitchen. So on entering this kitchen, you see I don't know what I'll call this, whether it's stand or what. You see the refrigerator, and you see the space. They just kept random things there. You see this is palm oil, very essential in an African home. So the vegetable oil, other random things, plates, beverages, alright. And this is the store in the kitchen. There is no bulb there, so I can't get it well. So you can see the kitchen is not yet out, and this what the fridge looks like. Nothing much there, just water. Alright, the cooking gas, but they mostly cook with the electric cooker. And here is another space created, maybe to store bags of food, but it's yet to be ready. Alright, this house is gonna look beautiful whenever it is complete. This is their old generator set, random things that there, the motor, the fetching tube, the gas cylinder, the pistol. So let's see other parts of the building. So this, you can see the inside of the house. So this is an empty space. The ceiling, this is an empty space. You can see the remnant of some building materials that was used in the past. These are the remaining ceilings that are yet to be fixed. Like I said before, I don't want to go into the details about this house. The toilets, the room, one of the rooms. This is actually a 5-bedroom bungalow. The ceiling things you can see. It's yet to be complete. This is still open, right? So this is one of the rooms, and you can see nothing is there. Just some old stuffs that are there. Right. So this is what it looks like. Old things. Right. So let's move to the other room. Like I said before, there are 5 bedrooms in this house. So this is, I think, the waiting hall or whatever. I don't know what the space is meant for, but you can see the ceiling fans. They are yet to be fixed because the house is yet to be ready. Visitors toilet, another room, another empty room. You can see the wardrobe there. As usual, the ceiling is yet to be completed. The visitors toilet and bedroom. Alright, so that is that. Maybe in the future, when this house is complete, I will still make a video about it. Okay, so have a nice day, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.